The thing is, one song that sing about Cartel done one song about Clark's. And Clark's price never go back down.
Yeah.
That's to show you how powerful is these musicians. Yeah, this is to show you how powerful is musicians. Because Clark's will never go back down again. Never down.
So you see when the teacher drop back out here, you need to change the mentality. And try to show Jamaica love.
Yes.
That's the only thing can save him. Come back with love.
Yeah, I think he will come back with love because you know the country is behind him.
Nobody pretend like badness don't work.
Yes.
All of everybody already, and we know how the badness thing go. So change the mentality, I think, and deal with love, real love for your art.
Yes, so you're looking for some music.
If you don't have it in your mind, Father God now go put you out there, so you have to clear your mind first and know that this may don't me come back. So change from there, son. And come do it.
This is the voice of Jamaica.
And you only want to get good now.
Okay.
And we done bad already.
That is it. That is